Hello programmers and welcome back to another video. I have recently uploaded a community post in which I have asked on which should I make next video. As I have a small YouTube channel, so I get small votes. I know that. So I have get only 3 votes on how to convert from Python, means from text to a handwriting, which is going to be very amazing and realistic. And the second vote is given to ESP32 webcam. I have recently ordered my ESP32 webcam, which is on the way. As soon as it comes, I will make sure to create a video for you. So let's come to today's video's topic after the intro.
चलो भाई देखो अब मैं क्या करता हूँ.
So yeah, to convert from text to handwriting, it's very easy, and you will tell me that it's that much easy, or like only 5 lines of code, or not 5, 3 lines of code.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So let's see how we can do that. So first of all, we will create a file named writing.py, anything but with .py extension. You can see here I have created, and here you need to first of all import. So first of all we will just install the library. So here we will go to terminal and then new terminal. You can also come here and type the command, or you can do the same thing by going to search and type cmd command prompt. You will just hit enter. The window will pop up. You can see here this is my command prompt, and here you need to just type pip or pip install PyWhatkit. So PyWhatkit is very useful because you can also convert text to handwriting, and also you can send WhatsApp messages using Python. So that's also really amazing. If you comment in the comment section, I am surely going to create a video that how we can do that also, send message using PyWhatkit. And in my Jarvis also I have used PyWhatkit to just send message to WhatsApp and Instagram. So now we will just hit enter, and it will just install for you. So you can see all the requirements are satisfied. So requirements already satisfied, it's showing. So you can also do same thing here in the terminal. Okay, so this was the installation part. Now let's come to the programming part. First of all, we will import the library. For that we will type here import PyWhatkit simply. So we have done that PyWhatkit, and we have imported PyWhatkit. Now we will create a variable, suppose question, and I will give here, or not question, let's give here query is equal to, here we will create an input, terminal based input. So we'll give input, and here we will just type the placeholder. So I will give enter the text here, just keep like this and a space. That's it. This is the second line, and here comes the last line. So here we will give PyWhatkit dot text underscore to underscore handwriting. So you can see it's highlighted as pink, means this function is found in the PyWhatkit library. And here we will start the loop. So what thing do we need to convert it into the text? Okay, so we want that the query variable should be converted into the text. Okay, so I will give here query. Okay, so whatever we will input, it will just convert it into text. And here we need to give the color in RGB value. So we'll type a RGB is equal to, then like this. Okay, so let's go to web browser. I will open Edge. You can see here I will just type here color picker. So it will open a color picker. So we will just make it look like a pen color. So this is a website also, colorpicker.me. So here you can go, suppose we want a blue pen color, so we'll come here blue. Okay, this is a bit darker. That's it. We'll come here and you can see here RGB value. You will just copy it, come here, and you can just paste it over here by removing the brackets and the RGB also. Yeah, that's it. So you can see guys, this much was only the code. This is the code, and you just created a very simple and short software. So let's run it and see how does it works. So we will click on run or the arrow and then run Python file. So it will ask me the query by giving an input. You can see here terminal based input has come. Enter the text here as we have given here. So suppose I will type here hi, my name is Abhinav and you are welcome to Abhicoder creative mind. Okay, so for a demo I will show you by giving this much of text and then I will hit enter. It will take some time depending upon your computer performance. As soon as the program terminates, it will generate an image file over here. Okay, you can see here program is ended, and you can see here PyWhatkit.png has come here. Let's open it. We'll show the preview here. It will take some time. It's loading. You can see here it's converted. Means it's a very bad handwriting obviously, but it's given like we can also convert it into handwriting, which looks like really a handwriting. You can say hi, my name is Abhinav and you are welcome to Abhicoder Creative Mind. It has shown like that also. You can also do your homework with it. I think so. This tool is really very useful. So let's make it more interesting by giving some paragraphs. So here I will go on my web browser and here I will search for Python Wikipedia. Suppose I want to give some paragraph from Wikipedia, so I will go here. Okay, so let's make it print this much. Okay, that's enough. Here like this, copy and just run this command again, this software code again. You can see it started. Again the question will come here. You can see I will just right click. Are you sure you want to paste 3 lines text into terminal? Okay, so it will only show 3 lines because it's a terminal, so I will just only give 3 lines. That's okay, and I will hit enter. Then it will take some time. As soon as it terminates, so it will generate a PNG over here. Okay, it given me an error. Python is error. Okay, so it is a very complex line, so it could not give like this. You can see here bracket 23 etc it cannot give. For that, let's make it easy and let's see if I get anything. Okay, so for suppose I have got here in PyPI.org, I will come and copy some paragraph from here and then I will run the software again. It will give the question again. Right click, it's given, and I will hit enter. Now it's going to generate the PNG image of handwriting. It will take some time depending upon your computer and network speed. Okay, so it's done, and you can see here PyWhatkit.png is again updated in the same name. So you can see guys, we have also you can see here it's given here something like note this library was designed for something etc, and you can also see here it's also showing me like that only. See, note this library was designed for ease of simplification etc. So this is very useful and amazing. I personally love this, so I thought that I should share with you. And I also love the ESP32 projects too. So I thought that let's ask to the audience that what's they want to learn first. So this was how we can create. You can also change the RGB value here, pen color. So let's change it. Again, I will go here. I will show you in detailed manner. So video can be long. Please be till the end. I show you in detailed manner so that you can keep in mind and easily. So let's take here red, okay, green, okay, let's say green color. We'll come here, this much is okay. Here RGB I will just copy this much, okay. Here I will just paste it like this, and I will just remove the brackets, and here also. Okay, 6. Okay, now let's run it. Now you can see the what do we say, the text color will be changed, the handwriting text color. I'll just right click. Okay, let's give a small line over here.
$2,000 years later. One eternity later.
Okay, so I have typed here something and I will hit enter. It will take some time again, the same process will happen, and then it will generate a PNG image. So let's see. The color should be changed. Okay, the image has been upgraded. You can see we have selected green here, so it's showing me green over here. You can see it's showing green, and I have typed here, please subscribe to my channel Abhicoder for more amazing content, and it has also given. But for now in PyWhatkit there is a back mark that it cannot take exclamation mark. So you can see I have given exclamation mark, comma, full stop. It can take full stop but not comma and exclamation mark, etc. For that the PyWhatkit team is working on it. So I hope that it's going to be very interesting in future, and I hope that this video would be helpful for you. If it's informative, then do subscribe to my channel. So that's it for today's video guys. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
भाई मजा आया, और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूं।